All right, hello everybody. We're here at Speedy B's. This is the same car wash that the elevator channel went to that had the 4 D&S 5000s, but now there's only 2 because those are IQs over there. But we're gonna go ahead and go through this and see how it's doing, I guess. All right. Oh shoot, $13, huh? Well, I don't think my truck needs cleaning that much. But we'll go ahead and get this paid up here and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, the other one wasn't taking my cards. We're in bay number 4 now. Let's give this a shot. Did I do it the wrong way? Bro. There we go. Ah, we got our green light. Or don't. There we go. All right, it says enter. Let's see what this is all about. It's just a D&S 5000, but still. Don't hit the rail. Dingbat. Or do. My antenna. That's awesome. That's not good at all. We'll see what happens. I don't know if it's going to be able to complete the wash with my antenna like that, because it does have electric eyes. So far, so good. It says we're doing pre-soak. Please complete the wash for the love of God. Or is it going to stop and go the other way and not wash my truck? We're going to find out. Oh, there it's just going to go. Okay. That's just going to be annoying. Every time it goes by, it's just going to hit that antenna. Really good coating of pre-soak for a 5000. Looks like up there the top piece is gone. You can see right through the machine. It's a little noisy. That's okay though. It's an older machine. Forgive my horrendous laugh, but that is it's so funny to me. All right, it's going down. This is the Speedy B's in Holts Summit, by the way, if I didn't already say it before. Doing an excellent job, wow. And switched to Power Blaster pretty quickly. That was interesting. Yeah, it says Power Blaster on the sign. There'll be no tri-foam with this because I didn't buy the wash with tri-foam. There's that antenna again. I guess it doesn't affect the electric eyes, unless maybe the electric eyes aren't working, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure the way that these are designed, they have to be working for the machine to work. Now a spot for your rinse. I'm glad that they kept these last 2 5000s in these last 2 bays. The other ones, like I said before, they are IQs now. Next time I come through here, I'll take that antenna off. I think that dryer up there moves. You're gonna find out. spot for your rinse? Nope, that's it. It does move. Check that out, guys. Wow. Wish our washes in Springfield had that. Dang. Yeah, it still says car wash next exit. And we'll get a view. There's someone in one of the IQ machines. They're both soft touch IQs, and there's the two lone vacuum cleaners next to there's one back there, I guess, next to the manual base. But anyway, guys, and there's the third one. Never mind. It looks like these are still doing pretty good. Just thought I'd come down here and make an update. Thanks for watching.